Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new robot to the studio. This is the EBO Max. If you guys have been following this channel, you know that I've gone through and reviewed and utilized a number of the Enabot EBO robots. We have the EBO Air 2 Plus, and then we have the original EBO. So this new guy right here, we're going to be unboxing. We're going to take a look at, we're going to get set up. Now I'm going to tell you guys in advance, this is going to be a long video. So in order to make it consumable, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the video down into maybe 5 or 10 minute segments. So that way you guys can just kind of follow along with everything that's going on with the robot. And yeah, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so here's the box, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick little tour around the box. These boxes look pretty much the same, regardless of which variant of the robot that you get. Now, on the back of the box, I'm going to show you guys here, it has some basic information that's just telling you a little bit about the robot, what the robot's supposed to be able to do. You can read, through that at your leisure. I'm not going to waste your time, going through that, because we're going to go through all of those things in the video itself. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Let's see what we get in the box. All right, I want to show you guys something that's pretty cool. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but you can see the little eyes here on the box. They look three-dimensional, which is a super cool touch that they added to this. All right, so let's get right in here. Let's open this box. So the way this works, you're just going to slide this guy out like so. And now we have an exterior box over here. Here is our main box. So I'm going to just open this up, show you guys exactly what you're going to get in the box. We have this nice little egg crate style, crush proof travel little thing here. Keep this, you might be able to use it for something. All right, so in the box, we have the actual robot itself. We will be taking a closer look at that, obviously. Also in the box, we receive our charging cradle, some other cables. We get our documentation for the robot. So Enabot has provided us with a starter manual, and for the most part this is going to be the similar type of starter manual that you've seen for a lot of these different robots. You can just kind of read through this at your leisure. I do recommend that you read these because I have found some gems in the previous robots manuals that I didn't know the robots could do, so definitely take a look at that. All right, so first things first, let's take a look at the charging cradle. As you guys can see, I'm going to set it down here on the desk so you guys can see. So you have to remove this upper cover, and this just pops off pretty much like that. And I took it off the bad way. There we go. So now that's completely off. And this is the charging cradle that you're going to deploy somewhere in your home. You do have these little pads underneath here where you could stick this to, the floor. It has a section back here for rolling up your cable. So let's take a look at that real quick. All right, so here's our charging cable. And that just plugs in. There's a little hole right here at the base. You're just going to plug that guy in pretty much like that, and then you're going to be able to utilize this. Now I want to try to do the majority of this on the desk today, so I will get a portable battery over here so that we can still go through the setup and everything, and you guys can see everything that's going on. All right, so that's our charging cradle. All right, so here is the robot. It has some significant weight to it, so let me grab the other one. So comparing these two, this guy is much heavier, much heavier. So, if that's, in my mind, that's going to be a win. That's going to be a plus because it's going to be a little bit more stable when it's rolling around on the floor. You don't have to worry about it. But all of these robots are designed where they can tip over and you can still, they'll upright themselves. So that's not going to be an issue. So you guys can see as I peel this off, this is going to expose the camera here in the front. You have your AI button up here. You also have the similar type of track wheels on the base, speaker on the back, cool Enabot branding on both sides of the robot. I like these silver stripes on here as well. Yeah, this looks nice. And then underneath, you will find the connection point where the robot is going to charge itself. And basically what that does is it's just going to roll back onto this charger like so when it's in charging mode, okay? So let's get a battery over here and get this guy powered up, and I'll show you guys what we need to get everything set up. All right, guys, so we have our battery here. I'm just gonna position this off to the side so that this guy can stay front and center. Let's turn on the AC power. Plug that in. And as you guys could see, the robot is starting to initialize. All right, so I'm going to open the...
Oh, hi.
All right, so I'm going to open the EBO app on my phone. All right, so I have the app opened on my phone. This is the app that I normally use whenever I'm controlling any of the other robots. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and connect to this robot. So I'll show you guys how that works. You're going to go to your settings here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and do a screen recording so you guys can see what this looks like. So let me start our screen recording. All right, so to add a robot, you're going to go to the drop down and you're going to click on Add Robot, and then you're going to be looking for the EBO Max. Click on the EBO Max, acknowledge it, click Next. Make sure you're on your Wi-Fi. You may have to enter a password. Now it's going to give you the QR code that you need to show to the robot. So you're just going to turn the robot so it can see and scan the QR code. Just going to hold that far enough away for it to be able to scan it.
Connecting to the network.
All right, so it's connecting to the network.
Successfully connected to the network.
All right. We are connected to the network. So now I'm greeted with this, hello, nice to meet you. Please show me around. So that's the Explore. You can actually skip that if you want to, but you have this is Explore environment where you can actually move the robot around and add different areas. I'm just going to go ahead and check for updates because a lot of these robots will have updates. So we're going to go ahead and check for that. And let's do the update. Now the update is loading pretty quick. That's one of the things I do really admire about Enabot. You know, they're very, very efficient when it comes to providing fast downloads for any of their updates. All right, so we're at about 50% on the update. And I'll just come back when we get to 100% and I'll show you guys what we're going to be doing next. And again, in this video, the goal was to do the unboxing, do the setup, and get this guy ready. And then in future videos, most of them probably today, we'll be looking at a lot of the other features. And this guy will be featured in a lot of my upcoming live streams. I will probably even be doing some live streams just with this robot. So this robot has the ability to interact like some of the other AI robots that I have had the pleasure of being able to, experience. This could be a new frontier for the Rome Knows Tech live streams and content creation. So look forward to that. So an important note is that, as you guys can see here, it says the upgrade process cannot be interrupted. Do not move or shut down the robot during this process. That is very important. You've probably seen that in other things that you've updated, but just as much so here. You know, if you're doing these updates, you do not want to disturb the robot. You don't want to take it off of the charging base. You just want to make sure that everything gets done, and then you'll be ready to, start having fun with your guy. All right, you should be able to see there. We have our firmware. Looks like our guy is connected. So that's cool. All right, so it is waking up. And I'm looking at the eyes here, and you guys can see the eyes are still showing a progress. So I think it's still installing some of that update. So at this point, you can add face recognition. So that's what we're going to do right now is we're going to do the first face recognition. So I'm going to turn the robot facing myself. I'm going to click on that so the robot can see my face. All right, so as you guys can see, it has now saved this facial recognition. So now we're going to do our voice print recognition. So we're going to start recording. Good morning. The weather is really nice today. The sunlight outside of the window feels warm, and the aroma of coffee is perfect. I'm your new friend. Please remember to relax. So it says that the voice was recorded. Go ahead and hit confirm. And now voice is saved. In the next upcoming videos, we will be looking at the different AI modules and other things. But I wanted to show you guys basically how to quickly get the robot set up and get started out of the box. So in the next upcoming videos, we'll go through different things. So just check the thumbnails, of course, and we'll be exploring this guy, experimenting with it, and just creating some amazing AI robot content. All right. So it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all a little bit later today. Until then, stay safe. Peace. We're out.